What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. This is different. I didn't buy this to do a review video. Actually, I bought this one for this studio, for my office. We have been looking for a good security camera setup, a good solution for this office, this studio for a long time now. I have bought a few other different security cameras, and yeah, I have also reviewed some of the other products, but when I have seen that a lot of people on YouTube are talking about this Eufy security camera, I thought, okay, I should try. I have bought this Eufy Cam3 plus 1TB hard disk edition for $599 US, which I think is a steal after I have used this one for almost a week. Yeah, I have already been using this one and I'm in love with this one. That's why I'm doing this review video. For your information, no, nobody from this brand has sent me this product. I wish they have sent me this product, but no, I had to buy this one, so thanks to nobody. Well, I have already mentioned I had to pay $599 US. And let's do the unboxing. Let's check what things I have got inside this box. Eufy Security, wear-free security camera with 4K Ultra HD and solar power. Well, at the beginning, I need to mention that even if these are solar-powered security cameras, I'm not gonna use these outside. I'm gonna use these inside this studio because these cameras over here actually offers 1 year of battery life without any solar power. If you fully recharge these cameras, then these will run for 1 year without needed to be recharged again. So that's a great feature. Well, let's continue with the unboxing. Okay, this Bionic Mind AI recognition is one of the driving factors which made me buy this product. Other than 4K, 365 days of battery life, expandable local storage, this Bionic Mind AI is one of the most important thing. Because in this studio, in my office, there are some employees and there are a lot of people comes and goes. As we do review videos, we have a lot of stuffs always lying on our desks, on our tables, so we are worried that if someone just picks one smartphone and then walks away, that will be an issue. But we also wanted these security cameras to recognize my employees, our workmates, so that this one won't send any false alarm. Yeah, like if one of my workmates or my employees, they would pick a smartphone and then walk away, they would do this because they want to test the product. And as this camera knows the faces of those people, as this camera can recognize those people, this won't send me an alarm that okay, some product is gonna get missing. But when outsiders or visitors or an intruder, yeah, I don't wish that happens, but if those people go to the area where they shouldn't and pick something and put that in their pocket, definitely this one is gonna send an alert to my smartphone. Okay, I've been talking about this human recognition. There is security report, vehicle detection, which actually we don't need in this studio, but this one also comes with vehicle detection, live view and recording history, instant notification, two-way audio. This instant notification, security report, human recognition, these are really very important for me here in this studio. Forever power, solar style, yeah, if you put this outside then definitely you will get forever power, but one more time, only one charge and these cameras are good to go for 1 year of time. Clear from day to night. These are 4K Ultra HD cameras, and yeah, even at night time this one offers color videos. There is a spotlight. If you wanna startle an intruder, then definitely you can do that. Local security with edge technology, expandable local storage. I have already mentioned that I have bought this one with a 1 TB of storage, and yeah, centralized security management through the application. After opening the top lid, here is our Eufy security base and there are two cameras. You can see I have already unwrapped one camera because I have been using this one in this studio, and there is the second one. Here comes the base station. The top cover of this base station is actually connected to this base station using some magnets, so yeah, it's pretty easy to remove the top panel. The hard drive slot actually have a Phillips screw. It's really very easy to install a hard drive on this slot. I'm using a OCG SSD drive, but if you want, you can also use hard disk because those are a bit cheaper, but I prefer this OCG and that's why I have bought this one. After you put the hard disk inside, what you have to do is to put the screw back and cover it. You can use this top cover on any way. There is no front or back. Like you can pull it from here and then put like this because the magnet is actually in the center of this top panel. Inside the box, Eufy Security has provided some positioning card which actually comes with the markers where you have to drill the screws. Just put these positioning card on a wall or wherever you want to put these cameras and drill on the spot where it is marked. They have also provided a card with all the advantages of using this Eufy Security. I'm not gonna go through this. They have provided a 24/7 monitoring by Eufy Security sticker which we can use on our door. There is a very thick quick start guide. If you require, you can go through the quick start guide. Actually, almost everything is given inside this quick start guide. If you go through this, you won't need anything else. I'm not gonna go through this now, but I must mention this is a very good quick start guide with a lot of illustrations, and Eufy have described everything clearly. Underneath that, there is our mounting brackets. Actually, one of these mounting brackets, this part is missing over here because I have already been using one camera. That's why I have already installed this part. Inside the box, you will also find a 24-watt adapter which is required to run this base station. There is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. This cable is required to charge the cameras. They have also provided a very good quality, a premium quality Ethernet cable. And if you are wondering, yeah, inside the box you will get all the required tools and all the screws, everything that you need to install these cameras and to install a hard drive.
Homebase has received a pairing request. Press the sync button on the back to accept it. Homebase was added successfully.
Well, it's very easy to connect the Homebase with the application. There is a Eufy Security application. After downloading the application, we actually need to register on the application, and then it's totally easy. If you just follow the process, follow the guidelines, then you will be able to do this within a minute. After registering the Homebase on the application, maybe you need to check firmware upgrade, and yeah, if there is a new updated version of the firmware, first it will download and then install on the Homebase. It takes a few minutes, but it's totally okay. Well, after the base station gets updated to its newest firmware, we can add the cameras. Just click on Add More Devices and select S330 Eufycam. Follow the process.
Press the sync button until you hear the beep. Ready to add device. Device was added successfully.
So now this one is in home mode. Well, as I've mentioned earlier, we can do face management. We can check unfamiliar faces and we can add familiar faces. We can also go through the security mode, like when we are at home, then yeah, we select home. When we are not at home, we can select away. And when we select away, sound alarm will automatically get enabled. So when we are not at home, when we are away, we can also customize the security mode settings like record video, push notification, camera alarm, home base alarm, light alarm. Confirm. So you can see when I have selected away and when the people in my office have started roaming around, it has notified me that there is someone roaming around, and it has also recorded some events. Like there is a video, it shows that when I'm not in home. You can clearly see that when I have selected I'm away, but some people is walking in front of this camera, it has detected and it has enabled alarm, and it has also detected the faces of the people. There is one, another. It has also sent notification to my smartphone, so it's totally cool. Now I'm gonna add this second camera. Let me show you how we can add another camera. Just go to devices, click on the add device or plus button, select S330 Eufy camera, select your home base.
Press the sync button until you hear the beep.
And go through the guideline.
Ready to add device. Device was added successfully.
I have successfully added the second camera. Hello Chichi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
Hi, my name is Han. Who are you? This is how it looks under bright light. This is how it looks under darkness. I really like that this Eufy security camera offers colorful night vision. it doesn't go black and white. You can get colorful night vision, and this one always offers crystal clear 4K Ultra HD video. Yeah, under bright light and in creepy darkness, every time this one offers crystal clear 4K Ultra HD video. I think this time I have done a right thing, that I have moved from other security cameras to this Eufy S330 security cameras. I have actually bought a lot of different cameras after watching a lot of different review videos, but this one is the one which made me so satisfied and super happy. Well, I don't think I have to lengthen this video by talking a lot of different things, because this camera actually offers the best.
Take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and